What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. It is me, of course, the crypto enthusiast, a light layer here once again. And today I'm gonna be doing a beta review of a crypto blogging platform called Publish0x. And recently there has been a lot of emergence of crypto projects that have launched their own blogging platforms. And the problem with that is the pure fact that crypto in itself is a niche, and you're basically trying to create a niche inside another niche, and that doesn't always work. So some of these sites are just inherently going to basically die because there can't be so many existing in such a small market. Obviously, most people are familiar with Steemit, which is the largest blogging platform right now, and what is the second one? I don't even know. And then we have the Tron-based called IV. This is pretty recent one also. We have Hyperspace. This is also a pretty recent crypto blogging platform. And all of these are trying their own wave. Hyperspace are paying people from posting. Steam has obviously their own system of upvotes. IV doesn't seem to have any type of a payout model. And then we have the Publish0x. And I think they have the best model possible that they could have chosen. And actually, this should have been the model that Steemit has right now. Although there are forms of abuse that can happen on Publish0x platform, which we're going to be talking about in a second. But the reason why this is a very promising project is because you have actually some big crypto projects in this platform, such as Banano, Syscoin, and also Stratis all have their official people publishing news to this platform. And obviously these have like Medium sites, and Medium I think have been banning like crypto blogs and stuff like that, so it's not the best platform. And how does this Publish0x work? So basically there are articles, anybody can register an account and they can sign up. Please use my referral link, wink wink. And basically when I scroll down to the article itself down, and there's a video support, there's a link support, there are really no regulations. Also you can put up tags into your posts, like here as you can see, airdrop, banana, faucet, memes, cryptocurrency, and there's like a direct link to the blog and stuff like that. And I think the discoverability in this platform is a lot better than in Steemit, for example. And every post you're gonna make, I bet that you're gonna be at least getting a one donation. So as you can see here, there's a donation bar which everybody is able to use every 10 minutes. So basically, or sorry, I think it's 15 minutes. We're going to be seeing in a second. So I can choose to give 100% to the author, or I can just give 80% to myself. But the minimum you have to give 20% to the author. And this creates always a incentive that somebody of the content creators are always going to get money by publishing on this platform. And that's a very nice system in itself. And this tipping system is very, very efficient because I don't need to, like, the Publish0x is going to be paying for that. That's their marketing strategy. They don't pay that much, obviously, here, but you're getting something. Every effort that you do on this platform, you know, gets recognized, basically. And I'm going to give them, like, a fair amount. I'm just going to take, like, I don't know, 20% here, okay? And I'm going to be tipping here. Okay, there's seems a bit of a glitched out. Okay. Yeah, there we go. And I tipped them I tipped Banano project, Hydro and Bounty. The Bounty is their own token in this platform, is an Ethereum ERC20 token. You can see the price at here. And the reason why the coin is pretty good, and we have to remember it's a top 1,000 coin, so it's not like shitcoin exactly, is that they have their own platform and they're going to be releasing a third one. I don't know what that's going to be. But the Bounty platform is basically ICO projects. I participated on some of them, and basically they launch a company, they launch an ICO here, and basically everybody can participate. And where you need these Bounty tokens basically is, I believe that these projects are going to be buying them, and also you can stake your bounty, tokens, and by staking them, there will be a less of a fees of your rewards that you're completing in the platform. And I think that the highest is around 50%, and basically it can go down to 5% by staking those bounty tokens. So the token itself has basically a worth of something. That's always important when I talk about in a lot of my videos, is that there always has to be a place where there has always had to be a cryptocurrency or token that has a reason to sell and reason to buy. And they have sold that. They have basically already like made the proof. Why do you need the OX tokens? It's for the ICOs and airdrops and stuff like that, and also for people to stake the bounty tokens. And maybe on the third platform that they're going to be releasing in Q3 in beta, maybe there will be also a way to spend those tokens there. So there's basically you know, an incentive to get it, so that will drive the value of the coin. And there is an ambassador program involved. You get 5% all the tips that are basically done on the platform. You can sign up under me if you want to. And let's see where we can actually see my own rewards. Not here. I think we were just on the page. Wait, sorry guys. This is bad. Okay, here are my posts, by the way. I post a lot of my videos here and some other airdrops, and you can see the rewards here. They're also paying Hydro now, so you're getting both Hydro and both Bounty by donating. So it gets like split in half or something. And I think this is a limited type of a promotion that is going on right now. Then it's going to go back to full Bounty. And in future, there can be other tokens or other coins that are being tipped through this platform. It's a very easy system. And because there are sites where, yes, you can tip the post, but that doesn't mean you're gonna get that tip. So in Steam, your average viewer has no worth unless they're like a whale or something. And in Steemit, and in some other platforms also, like you're not gonna be getting anything because nobody has any money, so you have to have something to give. And this whole thing that the Publish0x is basically giving out their money, and basically some other projects who want to like work with them. And as I said, I think the layouts and everything are pretty good. The fonts are very nice. The site loads are pretty fast, and there's actually people commenting also on posts. Something that doesn't happen on Steemit. It's all bot votes and bot comments that happen on that platform, sadly. It's just not, sadly, that of an active community outside from people writing, but people don't really make like real comments there, which is a big problem. And I think in this platform, because everybody are able to register immediately, it's just oh yeah, SpectreCoin is one of those other platforms that are here. And I think there are going to be more coin projects that are going to be coming into this platform, and I think that will be part of the growth in the system, because they won't be competing against in other blockchains and stuff like that. And overall, I'm going to say the Publish0x is going to grow a lot more in the future, and I think that their model is one of the better ones out there. And, you know, some of these posts have pretty good payouts. This is $4.5. And it's not maybe... It's for a beta stage and for a site that's relatively small right now. That is actually really, really good. And basically, you want to be here. You can follow me. Even if you're not going to write anything yourself, you can tip people and make some money out of yourself. That bounty will have value. I'm going to be buying it because I'm going to be doing a lot of those bounty ICOs myself, so I need money to stake. And that's pretty much what I gotta say about this platform. I have a lot of hope for it. I think that it will be improving in the future, and there will be more features added to it. But for a beta product, it's pretty good blogging platform, to be honest. And I think that, you know, Steemit, for example, that's not something that's going to be lasting for the long run. Like, their economy model is just so bunkers. It doesn't make any fucking sense to me. Make sure to subscribe, like, and follow me on every place. Follow me on Publish0x as well. I'm going to leave my blog link down below. I think it's Light Liger blog or something. I should probably just change it to Light Liger. But basically, I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers.